Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy. This is my kitchen. Behind the camera is my son Michael.
Hi.
We're gonna do this. I don't want to waste anybody's time doing this. So tomorrow's the Super Bowl. So what I want to do, I want to show you guys how to make wings. This is the fastest way to make wings. Now what you have to do, these, as you can see here, this is only wing. There's no legs on it. I found them at the supermarket and I got myself 4 packs. And this is enough for us, a family of 5, which I'm always gonna do also other dishes on the side. But to season it, all I'm using, guys, is adobo goya. That's all you need. You have your salt, you got a pepper, you got the onions, you got tomato. You can, you know what I'm saying? Season this for the wings is the best. So I'm just gonna put enough. I already did a coat, and I'm gonna do another one like that. You don't wanna overdo it, because when you fry them, I'm gonna be frying these for the Super Bowl. And this is an idea, so you guys can do the same thing. Okay, and after it's done seasoning, just cover it until tomorrow. And then later, when you come back later, we are going to open them up. You cover them for a couple of hours. This is, let's say it's the Super Bowl. You put them away, set them right in the counter. Give it 2 hours, and then when we come back later, I'm gonna fry them. You're gonna see how delicious they are. They're really, really quick to make. Only adobo seasoning, like I said, guys. Adobo seasoning. That's all you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll be right back. Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. And today, what we're doing is making recipes and stuff that you can do real quick for the Super Bowl tomorrow. And as you can see, I have my caldero put there. As you can see, I'm trying to scrub it out, taking all that stuff from the outside. That's me scrubbing with my hand. As you can see, look, I scratch myself with the Ajax. It's very hard. But one of these days, you guys are going to see it really nice and clean. So going back to my wings, here they are. Sorry about that, guys, but I just wanted to tell you that. And this is all my wings, and you can go to the supermarket. You can buy them just wings. Like nobody in this house really likes the little drums. They just want the wings. So what I'm going to do, what I did was, guys, as you saw before, I season everything with adobo. Adobo, I'm going to tell you why adobo. It has salt, it has pepper, it has cumin, it has onion powder. It has garlic, it has everything, you know what I'm saying? And you can also season everything. All you gotta do is follow the instructions on the adobo seasoning bottle and go with it, and you're gonna see, you're not gonna regret it. You're gonna be, hey, Cindy, you were right, Okay, guys, so I'm getting ready. Here we are. I usually like, when I'm frying, I like to use a spoon or a spatula that has holes. And as I've always told everybody out there before, be careful when frying anything. Don't put your pan in the front. Make sure, if you don't have any experience, try to start cooking little things in the back, like boiling, maybe making some hot milk and stuff like that, but never stuff like I'm making right now, okay? Because even with experience, you will get burned, okay? Has happened to me many, many times. Michael, be careful. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna heat it up, guys. I'm gonna put another load. And then I'm gonna proceed to lower the flame to like medium like that. And I'm gonna move these. I don't know how many pieces, but they look like they're 10, right? So that's one for one person. So when those are done, that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. We will close the video after I make this one. And then come over here, Michael. I want everybody to see what I do here at the house is I keep my red hot sauce and honey barbecue, and then I like them just like that, fried with nothing on it. So this is what I do, guys. I just want to show you guys. I take these and I put an amount of hot sauce.
Oh, I like a lot. Oh,
see? Yeah. So when the first batch of those wings are done, and I do the same thing with the barbecue. I haven't opened this one, but everybody loves this honey barbecue sauce. I even like it myself a little bit. I heat it up. I don't put a lot because it's thick. I heat it up. I put it in the microwave like 5-10 seconds before all this comes out, because then what I do, I put it in a bowl. I heat it in the microwave. I put these in like a dish bowl, and I move them around, toss them around, and serve them in a plate. You'll see when you get back. Okay, so don't go away so you can see the end of this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Wow, they look beautiful. Just turning them around, guys, okay? Just be careful, like I said. If you don't have an experience with this, you don't want to do this. Okay, so we'll be right back. Thanks for watching, y'all. Okay, guys, so I started taking them out. Michael, move a little, but
Crispy.
yeah, these are very crispy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them all out. Hold on, Michael. Let me turn this off. There we go. And I'm putting them in this foil paper, not because they're going in the oven or anything like that, but look how pretty they are. And these are only wingettes, guys, okay? There's no drums. A lot of people do not like the drums. Now, I know there's people out there that like the drums more than that they like the wings. Am I right or not, Michael? I'm
That is
turning
true.
them around like that so everybody can see how pretty they look. See, guys? Nice and fried. So you're gonna fry them really good. And I'm gonna tell you what, guys, these are the best wings. Now what I do is, now these, I put them in a bowl, like that. And I already, remember I show you guys my hot sauce and my barbecue, and also just like that with nothing. I like them like that with nothing, but most of everybody in the house, they like the hot sauce, and then my husband likes the barbecue and hot. So these are for Michael. Michael, this is too much sauce.
Oh, I like all that sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do, guys, is, excuse me, Michael, for a minute. You take your tongs, and you want to do this, see? And that way the wings are really hot. Not only the wings are hot, but, you know, hold on a second. Michael, be careful, be careful. You almost got touched that caldera over there, Michael. And let's come over here, because this is where I'm putting, like, this is the stuff that we've been making, guys. You know, stuff that you can make for tomorrow for the Super Bowl. And these are the wings that I make all the time. Everybody loves my wings in the house. My husband says my wings are better than any other wing anywhere made. And I'm telling you guys, I know they are, because mine, they're not soggy. These are nice and crispy.
No veins.
Crunchy and tasty. I have no hair, nothing like that. I don't have any celery, so there's no celery. And then here we go. Voila. And there's the wings, guys. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and try them. Like I said before, these are wings that you only make with adobo seasoning, and they're ready to go real quick and real fast. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all enjoy these wings. Hey guys, love you all. Mwah. And have a blast tomorrow. Your party. Here's Teddy. Teddy, say hi to the guys. You haven't seen them in a... Ginger, come here. Michael, you can show everybody Ginger around there walking around. And this is us, guys. So we love you all. Enjoy your wings. And thanks for watching.